Hello, namaste. I hope everybody are uh, can able to hear my voice. If anybody are in live, just give me thumbs up. Can I go ahead and start speaking? I just need anybody who is in live right now. They can give me thumbs up or let me know that they can able to hear. Okay. All right. I want to. Okay, let me go ahead and start. First of all, before I start, let me go ahead and say thank you to this group. Whoever has invited me for this session in order to take this session, thank you so much for this wonderful Rajmata group. And also, I would like to say thank you to Bharat Gupta ji for giving me this wonderful opportunity and platform to speak something that I learned in my life from my guru. So today we are before we start, okay, we'll start with opening prayer. So let's start with opening prayer. So what we will do is we'll fold our hand and then we'll start. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Savivenkaravavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently take your hand back from your right hand. Hold the left wrist and then go back a little bit. And then come forward and then keep your head on the floor. Just surrender to this whole earth. Surrender to the Guru. Surrender to the Guru Parampara. Just surrender. Say thank you to all the parents, teachers, Guru, family, everyone, and whole universal energy which is helping us. Say thank you. And gently heat up, rub your palms and heat up your hands and take a cup and hold it on your eyes without touching your eyeballs. Feel the heat in your eyes and then slowly take your hands, palms are in front of your face and then just a few blinks and open your eyes. I'm looking at the camera, that's why I'm not closing my eyes. I'm just looking whether I can, if I have to keep in track. So let's start. Let us start now. So today's topic is cyclic meditation. So let's understand what is cyclic meditation. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and tell you the meaning of cyclic meditation at the end of this session. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and tell you all the benefits of cyclic meditation. First of all, thank you for joining me in this session. All of the people who are there in online right now, and all of the people who are going to watch me later. So thank you so much for joining. So now what I would like to say is benefits of cyclic meditations. So what are the benefits are? The first thing is stress reduction, and people in this nowadays hectic life, a lot of people have different levels of stress, and then this will help by continuous practice of cyclic meditation will reduce their stress. And the second thing is sleep pattern, so it will help them improve their sleep. And people who have sleep disorders, insomnia, and a lot of disturbances that people get when they are sleeping, or some people, they, because of anxiety, depression, they cannot able to sleep. So this meditation techniques, using this meditation techniques, they can able to help their sleep pattern, and they can able to get really good sleep. So as we say that, we always say that we hear many times that if our sleep is good, then our most of the diseases will get cured. Most of the problems, whatever we are having bodily, that will get cured. So this meditation will help us to cure our lot of our problems, and stress level reduces, depression, anxiety, fear, whatever is the negative emotions that we face, that will we can overcome those problems. And especially, so this is this cyclic meditation discovered by a very important one university, that is S. Vyasa. So from there it came by, and we all got opportunity to learn this. So the other thing is like, because of this they have researched it, and found out that they have researched this cyclic meditation on many people, and it has the many patients got relieved from this their problems. And also, like, normal people, whoever are normal sleep that they have, for them also it is very useful. Why? Because if they are sleeping, let's say if they are sleeping 8 hours at night, by when they start practicing the cyclic meditation, their sleep quota might get reduced by 2 hours, or 1 hour, or 2 hours. Maybe they will start sleeping only 6 hours. That is enough for them. So this is also good for any people. So any of them, it's not that like patients also have to do this, but any people, any person can do it, any individual can do it. And one more very important thing is no limitations, no limitations or anything. So any people can do it anytime. You can do the cyclic meditation. And especially morning time, it is very good, because once you do this meditation in the morning, the whole day you will be energized, and your body will get active, and you can able to do your activities, the daily activities, faster. So faster in the sense productive way. Sometimes if when we are doing things, one activity when we are doing, at that time it will take like 1 hour or so. So sometimes we don't need that much time to do that work. But why? There are certain reasons, mind thoughts coming, body is like in not active mode, energy is not there. So these are all problems which happens day to day life I'm talking about. So at that time what happens is, like, when you are practicing the cyclic meditation, so your day to day activities will get easier, and you can able to do more productive things in a day. So this is so without further delay, we will start how to do this cyclic meditation. Okay. So now I hope, like, I'm not receiving yeah, I think there are some comments. So let me just let me not go to the comments right now. So what I'll do is, I will show the entire session, and then at the end of the session, if you have any questions or comments or anything, then I can able to read it. So without further delay, we will start this cyclic meditation. Okay. And yeah, I forgot one more thing. There is, according to the research on cyclic meditation, 1 hour of cyclic meditation that we do is equivalent to 5 to 6 hours of sleep. So it doesn't mean that oh, okay, I'll just do cyclic meditation, I don't have to sleep. So it is not like that. So sleep pattern is our nature, because the naturally nature tells us sunset and night you have to sleep. That is required. But along with that, when we implement this cyclic meditation, what will happen is we can able to balance our body better. We can able to function our body better. So now, like, we'll start slowly, and this whole cyclic meditation has to be done very, very slowly with a very slow movements. There are a lot of 1, 2, 3 postures which comes in between, and there are relaxation techniques which comes in between. We need to lie down, shavasana, and relax our body. So there are all combination of asanas and relaxation which comes in this whole entire meditation technique. So the whole entire meditation process comes under the time limit is 30 to 40 minutes. Let's see like how many minutes that we are going to do today. Because if you take more time, more slowly if you move and everything, it is gonna take a little more time. But if you are doing little faster, it's gonna take less time. But I recommend cyclic meditation has to be done with very, very slow movement with closed eyes. So today, since I'm like teaching you guys, this is like a learning session. You can keep your eyes open and just watch how it can be done. Then once you learn, then you can uh, play this video, and then you can start listening to the instruction and close your eyes, shut off the lights and everything, and then you can do it without any disturbances. So as you keep on watching the video 3-4 times, then you will come to know how to do it by yourself. Okay, so today what we can do is you're all going to observe how it can be done, and I will recommend nobody should do it right now. You just observe how it can be done. So next time when you want to do it, then play this video, and then you can able to listen to it and then do it along with that. So let's start with the mantra. It starts with one mantra. There is a special mantra for this cyclic meditation. Okay, we can sit like this, or you can lie down, then start with the mantra. Doesn't matter. Any shavasana position or any meditative technique position, you can sit and start doing it. So now fold your hands and then Laye Sambodhaye Chittam Vikshittam Shamaye Punaha Sakashayam Vijaniyat Samapraptam Na Chalayet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. First thing, gently lie down on your mat. I hope you can be able to see me. Okay. So, yeah, gently lie down on the mat. Take a deep breath in, deep inhalation, exhalation. Inhale, exhale. Now first you are going to start with the instant relaxation technique. That is nothing but 1 minute relaxation. So I'm going to show you how we can do. So take both toes and both feet together, hands by the side of the thighs, and then start from the toes. Imagine and have awareness on your toes. Stretch your toes and tighten your toes, and stretch your feet muscles and tighten your ankles, tighten your calf muscles, pull up your kneecap and tighten your kneecap, tighten your thighs, and tighten your pelvic muscles, tighten your waist muscles, and then one exhale here and tighten your abdomen muscle, one inhale here, tighten your chest muscle, tighten your neck muscles, tighten your whole body muscles, tighten your face muscles, everything, whole entire body from bottom to top, tighten, 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 release. Inhale, exhale, vibration entire your body. If there is any sensation happening inside your body, just observe that. Just be a victim of that. Observe the changes in your body. Take one Omkara here. Chant. We are going to chant one Omkara here. Feel the vibration of the sound Om entire your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Now gently close your feet. Bring back the feet together and take your left hand on your abdomen, chest area or abdomen. Take your right hand above your head. Slowly turn your body to fold your knee. Slowly turn your body to your right side. Place your left leg on your right leg with the help of your left hand. With the support of your left hand and the right elbow, come back to standing position without opening your eyes. When you are doing it, just slowly come to the standing position. So I'll come this way. I'm going to come this way so that you all can see me. I'm going to open my eyes because I have to observe. So now here, once you get up from there, let me just stand this way so that you can able to see. Once you get up from there, place it over there. Place it on the floor. So once you get up from there, so slowly you're going to do the centering. See that your body is on the surface of the ground and feel that surface awareness. And gently take your body, slightly lean forward and see that whole body weight is coming on your toes. Here don't lift your heels, just come lean forward and see how body weight is coming on your toes. And then exhale, come back. Inhale, come back. And then again, inhale. Go slightly backwards, lean backwards on your heel and see that entire weight is coming on your heel. And here also, no lifting toe fingers, just keep your body grounded on the floor. See that your body is on the back. How this one pointed awareness here, how you are observing one pointed awareness. And the next, you just go on to right, lean on to right hand side and see that whole your body going on to right. And here also no lifting your feet or anything, just see that whole body is coming on your right feet, so edge of your right feet. And then come to center and then see that your body is going towards, lean your body towards left and see that whole body weight is going on to left hand side of the feet. Now slowly come back to center. You just observe the all type of awareness here. All the linear awareness, one pointed awareness, and one surface awareness, and we are going to experience 3D awareness now. So we are going to chant Om. Feel the vibration of the sound Om. This is, see that your body is in 3D awareness. All three parts, from three sides, how your body is. So imagine and aware of your body. Now slowly, after observing this, now slowly we are going to do one asana here, one posture here, that is called Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Now for this one, we are going to lift our right hand slowly towards upwards. So we should not lift our hand suddenly like this. No, we have to lift our hand slowly towards right. Let me just come this way. Slowly we can start 0 degree. As we inhale, slowly 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree. As you are coming up, you feel that heaviness of your hand. As you move towards up, your hand feels so heavy. Observe that. Be aware of each and every moment that you are doing. When you come to the 90 degree, that is horizontal to the floor. So then just observe your wrist. And then slowly turn your wrist as a slow movement. Turn your wrist to the upwards. And then again start moving towards up. 100 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 140 degree, 150 degree, 160, 70, 80. Make sure that your biceps is touching your ears. Stretch. One nice stretch here. And then go towards left. Lean your head towards left. And bring your right hand towards left. Slowly. Now hold this position. Take a deep inhalation here. Inhale. Now we are going to chant one Omkara here. Om. Feel the vibrations and changes in your body. Slowly, after observations, slowly come back to this normal position. Slowly come back. Again stretch. Feel one pointed awareness here. Then again slowly come back to original position. Again when you are moving, coming down 170 degree, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 100, 90, and then slowly turn your wrist. Slowly come back. 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Now see the difference between left and right side of the body. How is your left side of the body? Observe that there is no movements was there. There is no stimulation was there. So see right side of the body, how it is. It's more active, more energetic, and more relaxed. So observe the difference. Now slowly do the same thing on your left hand side. So not so fast. So slowly 0 degree, 10 degree. As you inhale, 20 degree, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So slowly take your attention on your wrist of left hand and then slowly turn to upwards. And then again 100 degree, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 160, 70, 180. So now straight, hand straight, touching hand to the biceps. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Observe how it is stretching. One pointed awareness. Slowly come back to lean down and to the right hand side. As we did before, left hand side, now we are doing right hand side. Chant one Omkara here. Oh, breathe in. Feel the effect of the Om sound in entire your body. How is the vibration happening? The sound, the resonance power of the sound Om. How is that massaging effect happening in your body? Feel the massaging effect. You gently come back to straighten your hand above your head. Stretch again. Then come back to 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 100, 90 degree. Then slowly observe your awareness to the wrist of your left hand. Turn slowly towards left and come back from 90 to 80 degrees, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Observe the sensations in your body. Aware of your body. Now chant Omkara here. Om. Now slowly we are going to lie down and do another relaxation technique. So we are going to lie down from the left or right side of your body. So preferably when you are lying down for the second time, go from the left side. Hand above your head. Right leg on the top of your left leg. Right hand on your right thigh. And see how the body is, whole weight of the body is on left side of your body. This is called linear awareness. Have that awareness for a moment. Breathe in, breathe out. Observe the sensation. Now slowly come back to Shavasana. So this Shavasana, we are going to do quick relaxation technique. Lie down, spread your legs, spread your hands, go up your body, relax your body. Just feel everything, how it is happening in your body. Feel the sensations or anything happening in your body. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale. Now observe your natural breath, how it is when you are inhaling, how your abdomen is going up and down. When you are exhaling, it's going down, and when you are inhaling, the abdomen is going up. Watch that for a few minutes. Breathe in. Naturally, how it is going, just observe that. After few breaths of observing your abdomen area movement, now you are voluntarily doing that abdomen area movement. So when you inhale, imagine that your abdomen is going up, bulging up like a balloon. And when as you exhale, imagine that your abdomen is sinking down back to your neck bone, which is backbone. Okay? Slowly inhale. When you are inhaling, bulge your abdomen. When you are exhaling, completely sink down the abdomen towards your backbone. Do this 2-3 rounds, observing your abdomen up and down. Bulge it up, down, bulging up, down, bulge up, down. Now gently take your observation to your nostril area. When you are breathing in, feel the cool air is going inside your nose. When you are breathing out, feel the hot air, warm air is coming out from your body. Just observe that and do two breaths of that. Breathe in, feel the cold air is going inside your nose. Breathe out. One more. Breathe out. Now feel that again. Take your attention to the nose. When you are breathing in, feel that your body is lighter and active. And when you are breathing out, feel that your body is more relaxed. All the tension, all the body pain You are relieving from your body all the stress you are taking out from your nose. As you breathe in, experience lightness of your body. As you breathe out, take out all the stress and relieve all the tension from your body. Breathe in, breathe out. And you have to do it on the nostril. Since I'm talking here, so I'm breathing out from my mouth, but you have to inhale it from your nostril and exhale it from your nostril. Now gently move on to have our awareness on our body. Now we will chant one akara here. Breathe in. Feel the vibration in your lower parts of the body. Take a deep breathe in. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly join your feet, both foot together. Join your hands by the side of your thighs. Gently take back your left hand above your head. Fold your knees. Gently turn your whole body into left hand side. Using your right hand with the help of your left elbow, sit in the Dandasana position. Sit in Dandasana position. Now slowly we are doing some postures here. Relax for a minute. Inhale. Exhale. Then slowly come to the Vajrasana position. Bend your knee. Take your right ankle on the bottom of your right buttocks. Take your left ankle on the bottom of your left buttocks. Sit straight, back straight, neck erect. Catch hold of your left wrist by right hand. Gently take back your body backward. When you are backward, backward, inhale, bend back, exhale, back forward. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Now feel the awareness of your body, mind and brain. How whole body weight is coming on your head. Feel the heaviness on your head region. See how all the blood is rushing towards your head. Now say chant one Makara here. Inhale. Feel the vibration of ma sound, resonant power, resonance, sound resonance in your head region. Feel the vibration in your head region. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Gently come back to center. Release your hand. Keep both of your hand on your thighs. Now gently, we are going to do one more posture. Now observe here, before going into another posture, observe the sensations in your head region, how lighter you are feeling after the sound of ma. How you are feeling. Just feel the observation, observe the changes in your head region. Take an inhalation. Exhale. Now we will do one posture here. Gently stand on your knees. Now people who are having limitations, who are having knee pain, they can sit on the chair and do it during this posture. They can slowly, gently sit on the chair and they can do it. And now, slowly take your hands, join all the fingers together, hold your hand on your waist region. It should not be like this or like this, just parallel to your waist region. And slowly take your head back. Inhale. Go backward. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Now people who can able to do the complete Ustrasana. This is Ustrasana position. This is the half Ustrasana. But people who wants to do complete full Ustrasana, they can touch their heels and then go into Ustrasana position. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we will chant here one Akara. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of the sound entire your body, especially on your lower part of the body. Now gently, with the help of your hand, support your waist as you inhale. As you exhale, come back. Inhale and exhale, release your hand. Slowly sit down the Vajrasana position again. Come to Dandasana. Release your hand, both the legs, stretch your legs, back correct. Now sit in the Shitila Dandasana. Relax. And slowly go to lie down. From the center, lie down, Shavasana. Now we are going to do Deep relaxation technique, DRT. See, we did instant relaxation technique, we did quick relaxation technique, and we are going to do deep relaxation technique. This is longer than those first one and second one. Now here you are going to have complete relaxation and complete awareness of your body. Take a deep inhalation. Inhale. Exhale. Chant one Omkara here. Oh, inhale. Feel the vibrations of Om sound entire your body. Take a deep inhalation, exhalation. Feel entire body, how it is resonating with the sound Om. Complete massaging effect. Now gently take your observation on your toes. Gently sensitize move the toes a little bit and then relax your toes. Take your observation aware of your feet muscles. Relax your feet muscles. Be aware of your ankle. So you're taking awareness from your toes to top of your head. So each and every part of your body you're going to relax. Here you are observing ankle muscles, ankle joint. Relax ankle joint. Slowly come upwards, calf muscles, just sensitize it and relax. Relax your knee muscles, knee calf muscles, knee muscles, kneecap. Gently sensitize it, gently. In your inner awareness, you have to imagine that you are relaxing, massaging that area. So relax your knee muscles. As you come upwards, relax your thighs. Imagine that your thighs, if there is any pain or anything, imagine that the pain is gone, it's going away. Relax your thighs. Slowly bring your attention to your pelvic region. Relax your pelvic region. Bring your attention to waist area. Relax your waist area. Now gently take your attention again from the toes to waist area. Whole lower parts of the body. Inhale. Relax. Exhale. Relax relax your whole lower parts of the body. Now you chant one akara here, a sound. Inhale. Feel the effect of resonance sound of akara. Feel that it is so totally relaxed. Feel the vibration of akara. Now gently bring your attention to middle part of the body. Take your attention to abdomen area and gently bulge up and down. Relax your abdomen area. Relax all the muscles, all the organs in your abdomen area. Relax your lungs. Relax your lower back, middle of the back and upper back. Relax your lungs area and chest area. Gently take your attention to arms of your body. Whole hand, start with the fingers. Sensitize it a little bit and relax your fingers. Gently take attention to finger muscles and palm muscles and relax. Relax your wrist, relax your upper palm, lower palm. Relax your whole region from wrist to elbow. Relax your whole hand, shoulder, elbow to shoulder, shoulder bones, shoulder joints. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your neck bone. Complete relaxation on your upper body. Relax. Now we are going to chant Ukara. Take an inhalation. Inhale. Feel the relaxation on your upper body, middle of the body. How the oo sound, vibrating your body, and feel the vibration, feel the sensation. Relax. Now gently take your observation to your head of the region, your lips. Relax your lips, relax your chin bone, relax your teeth, relax your upper palate of your mouth, lower palate of your mouth. Relax your tongue, relax your jaws, relax your nose. Take a deep inhalation and exhalation from your nose. Feel that cool air is going inside your nose. And cool air is, hot air is coming out from your nose. Relax your cheeks. Have a gentle smile on your face. See how the heaviness of your cheek muscles when you smile. Relax whole entire eyes, eyeballs. Take your attention to eyeball. See the heaviness of eyeball. Take your attention to eyebrow. Relax. Relax your templates. Relax in between the eyebrows. Forehead. Relax. Relax your back side of your head. Relax the front head. Relax your side of your head and right side of your head, both sides. Relax. Relax your crown of your head. Relax your whole entire head region. Take one deep inhalation. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now chant one makara here. Take an inhalation. Feel the vibration of ma sound. Now feel entire body scan. Do the entire body from toes to head. Gently take the awareness from toes to head, inner awareness. Just scan your whole body. Inhale. While you're inhaling, observe the whole body. Exhale. Observe the whole body from toes to head. Now gently take one more makara here all together. 1:1:2 ratio. Breathe in. Aware of your body. Feel the sound, the vibrations in your body. Feel the sound of vibration of the sound ma in your entire body. Now gently take your inner awareness, mind, from your body out. Imagine that your awareness is coming out of your body and looking your physical body lying on your mat. See how it is collapsed on the mat. See how it is relaxed on your mat. Gently observe from your inner awareness which came out from your body and seeing your whole entire physical body relaxed and lying on the mat.
Imagine that inner awareness going up, and imagine that there is a blue sky in front of you, and you are having the awareness of that blue sky, and your awareness is merging towards entire blue sky, and you're feeling you are one with that awareness, one with that blue sky. Imagine that you are unlimited, you are infinite like the blue sky. Aware of all the blue sky. Now gently bring your awareness from the vast expansion, awareness of expansion from blue sky to bring back your attention to your body. Chant one Omkar again. Breathe in. Relax. Feel the silence of your entire awareness of your mind. Feel the relaxation of your body. As you prepare to move out of the relaxation, whenever you are ready, if you want to be in the silence for a longer time, you can be in the silence for a longer time here, lying on this position. But if you want to come out of the body from the technique, then come out. We remain in that silence for a while. Slowly take your hand, right hand above your right head. Gently join both the legs together. Take your left hand and keep it on your chest, and gently bend your left leg. Gently turn your body to your right hand side and keep your left leg on your right leg. Feel the heartbeat here. Stay for a while here. Do not open your eyes. Gently come back with the help of your left hand, with the help of the right elbow. Come back to whatever is the meditative position that you would like to sit on. Either Vajrasana or Sukhasana, either way is fine. Gently put your chin mudra and relax in your silence mode, in your relaxation mode. Observe the silence, observe the vibrations. We are finishing up the whole entire technique. Gently catch hold of your left hand from your right hand, from left wrist from the right hand. Gently lean backwards. Go down. Again, surrender to the earth. Thank you to the earth. Thank you to whole universal energy. Thank you to Guru Parampara. Thank you to teacher. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to whole universe. And come back to the position. Now we will end this whole session with the ending prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu. Ending prayers. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sorry. Sahana Bhavatu at the starting prayer. So ending prayer with Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Gently rub your hands, create the heat. Make a cuff and keep both the hands on your eyes. Do not touch the eyeballs and feel the heat. Gently rub your hand again, create the heat. Take it, massage your head, massage your cheek, massage your neck portion. Gently touch all of parts of your body. Slowly keep your palms in front of your eyes with a slight blinks. Look at your palms. Namaste, Dhanyavad. So here what we did is whole entire cyclic meditation we did. So like I said, as I told you, that I'm going to tell you why this, you must have understood now why this meditation is totally different than other meditation. So the reason that cyclic name which it got, because everything in nature is cyclic. We see that sun comes and then moon comes. Sun is stimulation, moon is relaxation. So when we see in the daytime it is stimulation and nighttime it is relaxation. When we breathe, inhalation, exhalation, that is also cycle. So everything in nature, whatever you see, everything is cycle. Birth and death, inhale, exhale, ladies' menstrual cycles, all this, that is also in cycle. Whatever we do according to the nature, it is in cycle, in one circle. So it goes up, down, like a summer season, stimulation, which is prachodana shakti, and then rainy season, relaxation. So everything comes into the stimulation. It is based on the method of stimulation and relaxation. So similarly, our bodies also works the same way. So when we stimulate more in our body, so what happens is we have to relax our body too. So when we stimulate more, then we don't do the relaxation, then the body will not come into the balance. So in order to balance our body, always we need to make it into balance. So in order to make it into balance, we need to make sure that body is into stimulation mode, relaxation mode. Stimulation mode, relaxation mode. Both are in equal. But in our hectic life right now, in our day-to-day life, what happens is we do a lot of stimulation, but relaxation does not happen. So even though sleep, that will not give proper sleep because of the overstimulating the body. So this method will help us to regulate our body with the equal stimulation and relaxation. So that's the reason this is also called as cycling. Because if you see that all the postures, first we did relaxation, then we did stimulation, then again we did relaxation, then again we did stimulation. So it is all combination of stimulation and relaxation. So that's the reason that name has come out. So now quickly I will cover the key points to be noted. When you are doing this one, remain in silence during this practice, and eyes has to be closed throughout the practice, and normal breathing. You don't have to, unless it is told, you don't have to do any other extra breathing. Normal deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Slow and continuous process. And do palming, that is that whatever we did, that is palming. Do that palming, that is compulsory at the end of the session. And remain in silence after practice for a while. Even like after the practice, when you start doing your activities, remain in silence for some time. And then always end the session with the ending prayer. Start the session with the starting prayer. So this is completely giving you the entire awareness, all the things, one-pointed awareness, surface awareness, awareness of expansion, and linear awareness. All other things completely comes under one cyclic meditation. So namaste, thank you for the wonderful opportunity. So I hopefully then I'll see you next time. So thank you. So I'll end my session now. Is there any questions or comments? I think I can take it if I have a time. I don't know how much time that I have. Okay. Any comments or any questions? Okay, I think there is no questions. Okay, whoever watches this video next time, if you have any questions, you can reach me. You can message me. Okay, all right. So I enjoyed with you all, and I relaxed my body so well with this cyclic meditation. So hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.